And so let's try a few examples here. Tons of examples. We'll start out very slow. If you have xy equals 1 comma minus 1, that's a point in the plane. I can draw that point. It's down here, right? This is -1 and this is 1, and here's my point, 1, -1. I can figure out what the representative is of this in polar coordinates. So in polar coordinates, there are actually a bunch of choices here. First of all, I'll tell you one choice. If I start with the angle horizontally, I wrap all the way around. That would be to this ray here. Let's do it in green again. All right? I labeled actually as minus pi over 4, but another way of looking at it is that it's this angle here. So that would be r equals square root of 2, theta equals 7 pi over 4. All right, so that's one possibility of the angle and the distance. I know the distance is square root of 2. That's not hard. Another way of looking at it is the way which was suggested when I labeled this with a negative angle, and that would be r equals square root of 2, theta equals minus pi over 4. And these are both legal. These are perfectly legal representatives, and that's what I meant by saying that these representations over here are somewhat ambiguous. There's more than one answer to this question of what the polar representation is. A third possibility, which is even more dicey but also legal, is r equals minus square root of 2, theta equals 3 pi over 4. Now what that corresponds to doing is going around to here. We're pointing out 3/4 pi direction, but then going negative square root of 2 distance. We're going backwards. So we're landing in the same place. So this is also legal.